I don't have any rings. He ran away. Oh! We did it? Oh, Josie, we're... Is that the landlord? The neighbors. Yeah, I know. They're just gonna have to wait. Oh my gosh. Again, I'm doing pretty good, man, compared to like... What's that noise? I have to get a bubble or something, right?
Yeah.
How do I get up there? Ooh, see that move? Now what? What? Oh, am I in the right place? I'm so confused. I don't know where to go. Oh yeah, just keep going to the right. I thought I was gonna die. Hold on. Chama Mia! That was supposed to be Mamma Mia, but I'm a little bit scared right now. Oh, I jumped! I got a coin though. Whoa! What? I don't have any coins, Jazz. There they are. What am I doing? Where am I going? Right? Always right. How do I get bubbles? 'Cause I know there's a timer. Oh yeah! I had 1 second, right? Before I was gonna die. Oh, it's flickering or something. Stay alive, bro. Stay alive. Woohoo! Oh yeah! Oh, I was feeling it for 10 seconds there. Bubble, 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 bubble. My ride took off on me. Oh man, my ride took off. Bubble! Uh-oh. Alright. Come on, man! Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, this is so slow. For this... Okay. We're free! We made it! My armpits are dripping, my legs are full of hot sauce, but we made it. We're pressing on through to the other side. Tidal tempest. What's happened? What's the wall? The wall is moving. Future. You see that move, Jess? I have no idea what happened. Whoa, the water's here. Oh, another water stage? I was supposed to push that button? Too late now. You gotta go in slow motion. What? What? Nice try. Trying to like... Alright, coming together. I'm getting it! I need that bubble. Oh, my nose. Watch me die. Hey, don't lose the ride. Wow, everyone's out to hurt me. Why?